Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken and shrimp quesadillas using an easy method. First, ensure your chicken and shrimp are already cooked and ready to go. Next, finely dice one small onion and one colorful bell pepper to add a burst of flavor and texture. Finally, shred about 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese or your favorite melting cheese for that perfect gooey center. This preparation makes the cooking process super quick and enjoyable. Now, let's get that delicious filling ready. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. Then, incorporate your cooked chicken and shrimp into the skillet. Stir in 2 teaspoons of your favorite taco seasoning to infuse everything with a fantastic, savory taste. Mix well to combine all the ingredients evenly. Time to assemble our amazing quesadillas. Lightly oil a clean skillet and place 1 large tortilla flat on the surface over medium heat. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Spoon a generous amount of your chicken and shrimp filling onto the cheesy side. Then, add another 1/4 cup of cheese on top of the filling. Fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a half-moon shape. Cook each quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Carefully remove it from the pan and let it rest for a moment. Slice your quesadilla into 3 or 4 wedges, depending on your preference, and serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa or guacamole. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious, easy quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.